everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are Greek chicken tacos. Let's start by prepping the chicken because I wanted to marinate for a bit before we actually cook it. So I have 2 chicken breasts here. They can be thinly sliced. I just had the thinly sliced from a recipe I made before, so I had a bunch of chicken, but it could also just be a regular chicken breast. And you basically want to cut it in 1-inch pieces, approximately. So like this size. Now that my chicken's all cut up, let's go ahead and throw it into a larger bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and add all of my seasoning. So to my chicken breast, I'm gonna add some olive oil. And of course, I will put all the measurements in the description below for 2 chicken breasts. So olive oil, I have some mild paprika. I'm gonna do some onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and some dried oregano. And go ahead and just mix that all together. Make sure that all the seasonings are well coating all the pieces of chicken. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. So now that I've coated all of the chicken, I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And this is just a plain whole milk Greek yogurt. You could use one that's lower fat as well, anything is fine. And go ahead and just coat all of the chicken now in that Greek yogurt. I'm gonna also add some lemon juice, about a tablespoon or so, and go ahead and mix that in as well. I'm gonna cover this in some plastic wrap. I'm just gonna set it aside while I work on prepping the other ingredients for this recipe. For my other ingredients, I'm gonna use some tomato and a cucumber. So I just have a small cucumber here. I'm gonna cut off both ends. And I'm just going to dice up this cucumber. So I'm just gonna do slices like this. And we're gonna turn and dice. I'm gonna do the same thing to my tomato. So I'm gonna cut about half of my tomato. Make sure to take out the center. And I'm gonna slice down first. And then long ways. Turn and then dice. While my stainless steel pan is preheating, I'm going to prep my Greek sauce. So I have some Greek yogurt. I'm just gonna put it into my little bowl. Next, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic that I'm gonna press in. Gonna do a little bit of salt. A little bit of dried oregano. And a tiny splash of olive oil. Let's go ahead and mix that all together. And then we're just gonna let this sit while we work on our cooking of the Greek tacos. And all the flavors in this delicious sauce are gonna come together. The dried oregano is gonna rehydrate, and the garlic is really gonna bring out so much flavor into the sauce. My pan is hot and ready to go. I have it on a medium-low heat now. After heating it for 3 minutes on medium, I do like to let it cool for about a minute just so it can kind of calm down and not be as hot in the center of the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and add my avocado oil. Spread that out and give that just a second to heat up. And I'm gonna add my chicken directly to the pan. Go ahead and spread it out. And I'm just gonna leave it like this for maybe about 30 seconds to let the chicken heat up. I'm using my splash screen. If you wanna purchase a splash screen, I have it available on my Amazon storefront. Link is in the description below. After about 30 seconds, you can go ahead and start moving around the chicken. We're gonna cook this chicken until it develops a golden color on the outside. Make sure to watch the temperature so it's not heating too fast and not burning. So you're gonna wanna keep it on that like medium, maybe even medium low temperature. Again, depends on what kind of pan you're using, but I would use either a non-stick or a stainless steel to cook your chicken. Once your chicken is cooked, it's gonna look nice and golden like this. Let's go ahead and plate. I have my tortillas down. I'm using a low carb tortilla today. This one is an almond flour tortilla. I will link this in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this one. Not sponsored by this brand at all, but again, just trying to keep this a low carb, low calorie recipe. So I have my 2 tortillas. I already put my sauce down because I like to do a little bit extra sauce for this. I'm gonna add my chicken now on top of my sauce. This is such a great macro-friendly, high-protein recipe. It's also low in calorie, and I haven't done a lot of super low-carb recipes in a while. This one is very, very low in carb. I'll put all the macros in the description below, and of course, depending on what kind of tortilla you're using, it's gonna be a little bit of different macros, so I will take out the tortilla calories so that you can use whichever one is best fit for you. So I added my chicken. I'm now gonna add my cucumber and my tomato. Go ahead, put that right on top. And final step, let's add some more of our delicious sauce. You can really add as much or as little sauce as you want. And do a little bit extra because it's just really that good. And there you have it for a Greek chicken taco recipe. This is such a quick one that you can just kind of like throw together. It's super, super fun. It's packed with flavor and it is super, super macro friendly for your diet. Let's go ahead and do our taste test. I got my perfect one right here. Guys, my mouth is watering. It smells incredible in here. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Cheers. That is super, super delicious. I know you guys will love this flavor-packed, low-calorie recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.